Hey, thanks for taking the time to stop by and hear a little about computer science that we have to offer at Cary-Grove. My name is David Cook, and I'm one of the computer science teachers here along with Ryan Pasalia. And I just want to take you through the different classes and help you understand why you would choose which one of the three. So let's start with Introduction to Computer Science. Introduction is my recommendation for anyone who is curious and interested to learn computer science, but would be learning about it for the first time. There's no expectation of any prior background. It's different than a normal class where there's not notes and vocabulary as much as just hands-on application. It's great for somebody who likes hands-on engagement and working on a computer and is willing to try something new. So one of the resources we use in Intro to Computer Science is Khan Academy. And students may know Khan Academy from their other classes, but we've just been learning here in Khan Academy different ways to create shapes and colors. And it's in a JavaScript style format, but it's super visual and friendly. And so we learn here that a background color is set by the amount of R and G and B in it, which is some color theory. But there's some friendly tools here. So if we want to make the background of this pink, we would have already talked in class about how it's a scale of 0 to 255 in the R and the G and the B. So we use tools like this to make something visual. And if we say, hey, let's move this over here, what happens? The sun moves over from the left to the right side of the screen as the x-axis label increases. So that's an example of trying to make computer science friendly and engaging and hands-on and highly visual. The next class we have is Computer Science Principles. Interestingly enough, Computer Science Principles was created as a computer science class for people with no computer science background. And it was created, frankly, to be a little one of the less rigorous AP classes. So for an AP class with the computer science name, it's very friendly. It's a year long, so that's one of the first differences. It's definitely more rigorous in terms of engagement and independent work expectation. Students are asked to seek out help when they're stuck. The projects are much longer, whereas in Intro to Computer Science, there might be a project that takes up to 15 or 20 minutes. In AP Computer Science, there are projects that take up to a week to complete. And so it requires a level of maturity and asking for help in students. There's some writing components to it. There's, of course, the AP test. And we teach block-style programming. This is going to become an important difference really quick. So this is code.org that we use for AP Computer Science Principles. And this is what the learning environment looks like, where we have blocks that we pull on. And of course, we can change to text view. And some students gravitate to this. But we always have the bailout option of using blocks to design. And we can still teach the concepts, but we do it with this block-style programming. And we use a resource like code.org to help. And then we, again, like the Intro to Computer Science, it's highly visual. We have a really fun interactive design area that works for all of our projects. Take computer science and add it to my Remind app. And then, there it was. I had to wait a minute. And then finally moving down, Computer Science A. So this is the most rigorous of the three courses. It is also a year long. It programs using the Java language. There's a lot of math and logic concepts embedded throughout. High level of independent work expected. This is the class I would recommend for students who are confident that they have an interest in computer science, students who are willing to be pushed, students who have a great math background, students who are good at working independently, asking for questions, students who know that they'll use this to help them get started in college on a computer science degree. If you're unsure about computer science, back up to one of these two. This is a great place to start and learn. If you're sure on computer science, go to the APCSA, and the way you're challenged and what you learn will really benefit from you. And so I would see if I can move my face out of the way here now that we're all dealing with the differences of learning. That didn't help. Are you new to computer science? Are you underclassmen or upperclassmen? Are you excited about an AP class? Do you like the visual aspect of learning? If you can answer these questions, this might help you decide which of these classes is best for you. So there's 3. If that doesn't make sense and you'd like to reach out, my name is David Cook. You can see my email on the bottom. I would love it if you drop me an email. Ryan Pasalia is the other teacher. Mike Manning is a department chair that oversees 2 of the computer science classes. And we'd be happy to have this be the beginning of a conversation. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.